Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 Cherry MX Blue keyboards of 2021. The list starts from Redragon, K551 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with Clicky Cherry MX Blue switches equivalent steel. Single red RGB LED backlit mechanical gaming keyboard, 19 different backlight modes, 2 user-defined game modes, 6 brightness levels, adjustable breathing speed and breathing mode. The red LED illuminated keyboard has double-shot injection molded keycaps, offering crystal clear uniform backlighting and lettering that doesn't scratch off. The perfect mechanical keyboard foe? It's anti-ghosting gaming keyboard for PC. All 104 mechanical keys are conflict-free, N-key rollover, for ultimate gaming performance. Featuring 12 multimedia keyboard keys and a non-slip ergonomic, splash-proof design. Comes with gold-plated high-speed corrosion-free USB gaming keyboard connector for reliable connection. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is EagleTec KG040 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Illuminated Blue Switches Cherry MX Equivalent Compact Keyboard. It's awesome blue backlit keys, offering 10 adjustable backlight brightness levels, adjustable breathing speed and breathing mode. Featuring ABS keycaps which are extremely durable, scratch resistant, offering crystal clear backlighting. The letters will never fade. It's professional mechanical switches designed for longevity, responsiveness, and durability. Mechanical keys with medium resistance, audible click sound, and crisp tactile feedback. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Redragon K552N Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, 87 keys, 60% small TKL Tenkeyless computer keyboard. It's mechanical USB gaming keyboard, no backlight, the perfect mechanical keyboard for office or home use. Small compact mechanical keyboard without backlighting, and separate number gaming keypad. Featuring laser edge keycaps offering lettering that doesn't scratch off. It's anti-ghosting gaming keyboard for PC. All 87 mechanical keys are conflict-free, N-key rollover, for ultimate gaming performance. Featuring 11 multimedia keyboard keys and a non-slip ergonomic, splash-proof design. Comes with gold-plated high-speed corrosion-free USB gaming keyboard connector for reliable connection. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one, Redragon K552 RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Compact, 87 key mechanical computer keyboard KUMARA USB. It's RGB mechanical keyboard, K552 Redragon RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The LED comes with molded keycaps offering crystal clear backlighting and lettering. Featuring rainbow 5 lighting modes, 5 backlight brightness, breathing speed, user programmable. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. HyperX Alloy FPS mechanical gaming keyboard and accessories, compact form factor. It's ultra portable design with detachable cable. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Rosewill Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with Cherry MX Blue switches, RK9000V2. It's the N-key rollover function is a must-have for gamers. Its shortcut keys, stop, play, pause, back, forward, volume up, and volume down. Its iKBC CD108 Mechanical Keyboard design. Ergonomic wide Cherry MX M profile PBT keycaps with laser engraved printing on top, which provide incredible durability while typing. 3 levels adjustable feet allow you to find the best height and set the perfect position for your typing, gaming, or programming sessions. 3-way direction management for cable cord storage for your its other features with iKBC CD108 Mechanical Keyboard. 100% anti-ghosting with full key rollover on USB. Lockable Win key availability. Convenient multimedia keys. Volume up, down, mute and calculator. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. CORSAIR K70 RGB MK.2 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, USB Passthrough and media controls. Its 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro and lighting playback allow access to up to 3 stored profiles on the go, independent of external software. Its 100% Cherry MX mechanical key switches provide the reliability and accuracy you demand. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. According to reviews, the 2nd best product is Razer BlackWidow Ultimate Clicky Backlit Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, fully programmable, Cherry MX. It's individually programmable Razer green backlit key with dynamic lighting effects. It's enhance your Razer Diamondback gaming experience with Razer Synapse, Razer's hardware configurator with online cloud support. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now here is our best of best the king product Fnatic miniSTREAK LED Backlit RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, Cherry MX Blue. It's compact, tankless and portable. The miniSTREAK's tankless design is everything you need for professional gaming, and nothing you don't. Our detachable USB cable and razor thin 28mm profile mean the miniSTREAK is supremely portable at just 704 grams. Its premium comfort and durability. Fnatic's miniSTREAK features a pool leather wrist rest with perfectly balanced key height and soft rounded board edges to make it extremely comfortable to handle in every scenario. Rubber feet are perfectly angled for maximum grip, and an anodized metal top plate makes miniSTREAK strong as an ox. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon.